What's up, y'all? So, welcome back to Little Clay Vacuums, Fans, Machines, and Reviews. Today we have a vacuum, another vacuum. It's a little hand vacuum, and this was kind of a restate sale find as well. This was from the same restate sale as I got those two Kenmore canister vacuums at the restate sale at my neighbor's house. If you remember that video, sorry about that. But I told my friend who was doing the restate sale, and after it was done, if there was any more fans or vacuums after that, that I would gladly take them off their hands. And she said, "There's a red vacuum, little red hand vacuum. Do you want it?" And I was like, "Sure." So she brought it to me. I actually have three of these. I have the Royal Pro Series version. Then I have the Dirt Devil 500, I think is what it's called, the black one. Then I have this one, and I'm really glad I got it. The only reason I didn't buy it is because I thought it was the same as the 500, but it turns out it wasn't, as you can tell by the bag. Well, you haven't seen the 500 yet, but yeah. This is most likely the Dirt Devil handivac, the original Dirt Devil handivac. Hey, sorry, my brothers are here. I'm babysitting them. But anyway, my meme will have one just like this, same color and all. So we're going to use it to vacuum up my mattress. The first time this mattress has been vacuumed, actually, since I got it. I think I had it for almost a year. Anyway, and get ready to watch my cat scream, probably run off like a scaredy cat, because she hates it when I get out the vacuums. Get here, get it. She don't care until I turn it on. You know, I'll just try to do it like this instead. Go. This thing is fairly quiet. You can't whisper, but you don't have to kind of speak at a medium-high voice. What was that? Oh, I heard something. It's picking up. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. There'll be more videos with my other two handbags as well. I'm gonna possibly do a video of me checking out my Kenmore 3.6 canister, the 80s one, which is one of the canisters I was talking about. If you haven't seen that video, and seeing if there's anything wrong with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.